Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I transformed this wooden dresser. This was a cheap $40 dresser I found at a thrift store, and I just wanted to revamp it and do some decoupage to make it for my little boys. And first, we started off with the bare dresser itself. We put it outside, sanded it down, and got ready to paint it. We did blue paint everywhere, and then we got the decoupage glue and some comic books again from the thrift store. Pick up any comic books you'd like. For this one I chose some Spider-Man ones, and you can choose any comic books you'd like. I chose Spider-Man, but any comic book you'd like, or any pictures in general, you can use. And so what you're going to do is take your comics and you're going to start ripping them up just randomly. I like to take out the faces and things like that, so that when I do stick it, everything looks sort of cohesive. But rip out some of the faces, rip out some little quotes, but you're randomly ripping it in different shapes and everything. You're going to place the Mod Podge glue on the bare wooden surface, and then you're going to stick the comic on there, and then you're going to stick them everywhere, like you're covering the whole surface of the drawer. And then after that, you put maybe 2 to 3 coats of the glue, the Mod Podge glue, over it, and that seals it and that glue seals it and protects it from damage and use.